Welcome back to your Orah onboarding. In this video, we'll learn how to configure passes in Orah. Head to the admin console and navigate to the Passes section. To add a new pass, click Add New Pass. You can choose from available templates or build one from scratch. Let's start from scratch and define the basic details of the pass.
Head to Locations and select all the relevant locations parents or students can choose when requesting this pass. Under Assignment, define whether this pass applies to all students or a specific tag or house. Then move to the Form Builder. This is where you specify what information parents or students need to submit with their request. Make sure to add a reason code so Orah knows what value to push to your SIS. Start time and end time are the most important fields here, so Orah knows exactly when to excuse the student. Navigate to the Workflow section. This is where you define how the pass operates. By default, staff have access to everything. For this pass, I want parents to be able to request it, so I'll enable the Parent Request option and the Public Request link, which allows approved contacts to report absences without an Orah account. I'll also define who gives the final approval. For ending the pass, I want students to check in through a kiosk on arrival, and I'll specify which kiosk location to use here. Head to the Rules section. Here you can configure automations. Should the pass auto-activate once approved, and should it auto-end at the scheduled time? You can also enable recurring passes, where approval is taken once and the pass repeats on a schedule you define. For submission cutoff, I'll set parents to request no later than 9:30 a.m. For an early dismissal pass, you can require a minimum notice period, for example, 3 hours before pickup. I'll set the default start time to 8 a.m. and restrict the end time to before 3 p.m. I'll also enable the rule that the end date must match the start date, so parents don't accidentally create a multi-day pass. Back in the Workflow section, you can also configure NFC checkpoints or iPad kiosks to activate or end a pass. For example, once a pass is requested by a parent and approved by the school, a student can walk up to the reception kiosk, find their scheduled pass, and check themselves out. You can define exactly which checkpoint or kiosk is used for each action, activating, scheduling, or ending the pass. Once all your settings are configured, hit Save and your pass is ready to go. See you in the next video.